Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're doing a plan with me for the week of May 10th through the 16th. And I have a gorgeous kit from Sadie stickers to use. It's got matte gold foil, which I don't have a ton of matte gold in my collection. So we're just going to sub in regular gold, but I think it's going to be fine. This is so pretty. It's called Saturday, and it's got like vacation vibes, but also like just like rest and relaxation. And I need some of that in my life right now. This time every school year, I get so exhausted and tired because we're just trying to do so much around school and wrap everything up. And I'm just so tired. So I'm going to try to work in some rest this week. I need it. So we're going to do that. I love the little kitty that's in gold here. It's so cute. And the plants, I just really love the foiling on this, and the colors are just so calming. So I think it's going to be like what I need this week. Let me show you my goals for this week. I'm still working on my health and wellness because I don't want to like overdo it this week. I want to just kind of like relax and just take care of myself. So those are TBD. But I have self-care night, read, rest on Sunday. I'm behind on a lot of my podcasts, watching a Crash Course Black American History episode, clean up my office. Well, finish cleaning up my office. It's my mom's birthday, and I need to talk to my sister, and then continue my health journal, daily Stoic podcast, and donation. Haven't decided where yet. I've been doing local donations lately, and I really enjoy that, but I think maybe this month I will go outside my community. I don't know. I'm still thinking on that. And then financial, I need to close out my current budget and start a new one. And of course, pay bills, but that's part of that budgeting process. And then physical environment, tidy up twice and clean my car. It's been raining off and on like the past week and a half, and I'm just waiting for it to calm down so that I can go and wash my car and then vacuum the inside and all that. So hopefully this week I can get that done. But I think we're ready to get started on this plan with me, so let's do it. So I'm going to start with the washi strips and this section over here with my to-dos and habits. And so I'm just testing out my dot marker to see which one will match, and I went with the gray. So I'm laying down the 2 strips from the kit, and this kit is perfect for my style currently. I'm really enjoying it, and I'm just cutting down a flag here to kind of just give a little something extra to my habit tracker section here. And then I'm just using my dot marker to fill in the dots and add a little something to the days of the week. So now going to date covers, I'm looking through my numbers to see which ones will match, and I decided to go with kind of these bold ones, the like full circle ones. I think these are so cute, and I use them as much as I can, but I'm just popping those on to the date covers, and then I will put those across the tops of the columns. So I really am liking still doing the first part of the week over on the left side, and date covers make it really easy to make that happen. So I just cover up the Saturday and Sunday with my date covers. And then the other side is just for my weekend. It just makes more sense for my brain. Okay, going to the sidebar, I'm just choosing a full box for the top of the column and then using my Planning Roses sticker to mark the month, since this planner is undated. And then I'm just going to cut down a checklist here because I only need 3. I do my top 3 right underneath the full box, so I'm just cutting that down for the sidebar, and then I cut the other one to see if I would use it later. I ended up not, but it was there if I needed it. And then I have my top 3 sticker from Hand Can Plan, and just popping that in right at the top there. And then for my cleaning list from Nikki Plus 3, I decided this week to go with a gray because I couldn't find anything that would match like perfectly. The colors in this kit were pretty unique and very like dusty. And so just gray matched the best. So I went with that one. So I'm going to put that at the bottom of my sidebar. One of the things that I love about this layout is that you do get a sidebar, and I like putting deco in my sidebar. So I'm grabbing some leftover deco from my reusable sticker book to use in a moment, and I will also put in my highlight box. So I'm going to grab a half box from the kit and pop that in. Before I do that, I'm just putting in a header just to fill some space, and then again just filling space over here, but also like giving me the decoration aspect that I like. I'm putting in some leftover deco. These are just from old kits that I have kept, and I just use them where I can. So I just used a Crafty Banana coffee cup, or not coffee cup, a candle with some sunglasses and then some little joggers to go on my highlight box. So my top 3 this week was to update my budget and also start a new budget for my new pay period, make a donation, and clean my office at work. And then my highlight is 2 more weeks of school. So for my videos this week, I'm just pulling some of the layering pieces to mark that, the little hexagons, and I'm just looking back at previous spreads to see what I like when it comes to full boxes. So I popped in this one on Wednesday and on Friday, and then I'll put in that hexagon in just a moment. I love the full boxes in this kit, so pretty. I am cutting down a couple of them just to give me a little bit more space in the columns. They are pretty small, which I really am enjoying because I'm trying to simplify things, but I still love my decorative planning, and so I like having it both ways. So I'm just labeling in my videos now. So Monday was a plan as I go, plan with me. Wednesday was my monthly highlights for April, and Friday was my memory plan with me. And then I'm just filling in, since I'm here, my checklist and my habits. So this week, kind of a bust all around, which is totally fine. But I was tracking closing my Apple Watch rings, writing in my health journal, which is not necessarily a daily activity, and reading. Definitely did not do well on the reading, but that's okay. So on Monday, I wanted to mark in that I was training with our librarian assistant, who she's leaving us at the end of the school year. And I just wanted her to show me a few things before she left. She's really good at her job, and so we are going to miss her. And I needed to kind of refresh my memory and also just have her show me her system. And then on Tuesday and Wednesday, we had our last small group faculty meetings. And so I just marked those with some flags. And then Monday, we're going back over there. I put in a half box or a third box for my workout for that day, which ended up not happening because I had some home improvement repairs that had to be done. And it kind of changed my whole week. I came home and I couldn't get into my house because my garage door decided to die on me. Tuesday, I was supposed to do planning together with Darian from Darian Plans, and we have postponed once. So this was supposed to be kind of the makeup one, but she needed to postpone again. So when we get that rescheduled, I will definitely let you guys know so that you can watch. I'm really excited to do it. So I'll let you know when we get a new date for that. So I'm going to take that up. You won't see that in the final spread. And then I'm putting in a couple of labels for workouts for this week. Some were really good and some were not. And then my cooking schedule was noted here as being a little bit different than it normally is to accommodate the Tuesday evening activity. But since that didn't work out this week, I just cooked on my regular nights, which is Tuesday and Thursday and Saturday usually. And then I wanted to mark in my mom's birthday, so I pulled in an emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. to mark in that. It was her and her twin brother's 60th birthday, which is exciting. So I gave her a few calls during the day. And then that was for my workout for the day. And then on Friday, I'm putting in a box here for my workout, which ended up just being a nice leisurely walk. It was quite a week. This whole May, the month of May, is just crazy with school, but it's also really good, which I'm enjoying. And then I also wanted to mark in here cooking dinner, which, like I said, I kind of changed up, but I left it in the spread because it looked kind of cute and it filled the space really well. And then on Saturday morning, I wanted to mark in goal check-in. So I pulled a Hang Can Plan sticker along with a blue scooter press planner that matched the kit really well and popped that in at the top of Saturday. And then I also wanted to mark in my workout for this day. And I also thought just randomly that I wanted to pop in a couple of Crafty Banana coffee cups that I forgot about adding to the spread. But you'll see in a minute, I'll add one. And then on Saturday, I've got my workout box along with a box at the bottom for just some relaxed time. And then I also wanted to mark in my new budget. I got paid on Saturday, and so I'm just pulling in a little flag and an emoji to mark in kind of a budgeting session so that I can finish up my spreadsheet for the previous pay period and start my new one. And then I'm going to pull a label underneath that for cooking dinner on Saturday evening. And so I just pulled this cute little label with the dots at the top. I just kind of am maneuvering it into that space. And then I'm just going to pull another one of those little wine glasses. I just thought those were cute. I like marking cooking dinner because it is kind of an activity that takes up some time. And then I wanted to put in this coffee cup, and I couldn't figure out a space of where to put it, but it'll find its home in just a moment. And then I'm just putting in a little flag here underneath that box. So these are kind of in a particular order. So the first box is for ordering my groceries, no, picking up my groceries. And then the second one is to mark in meal prepping for the last week of the school year. It's so exciting. And then that other box is for my workout for Sunday. And then the coffee cup's going in my sidebar. So here's how this week is turning out. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm kind of obsessed with the artwork and the colors. They're just really soft and pretty, and I really love how this is turning out. I do have quite a bit to do this weekend, although I know already I'm not going to get all of it done, and I'm coming to peace with that because it is what it is. This week was a little bit crazy because my garage door died on Monday, and so I basically didn't get anything done on Monday. It was just, I also locked myself out of my house because it was a lot of layers of problems on Monday, and then Tuesday I got my new one, which kind of killed that day as well. So I tried to kind of pick up the pace a little bit, and it just never happened. So I am getting things done, just not everything that I wanted to get done this week, and that's okay. Next week, I'm kind of going in with the same attitude because it's my birthday, and it's the end of school, it's graduation, it's all the things, and so I'm actually not setting any goals for next week because I don't feel like it, and I just want to enjoy the week. So here is this week. Yeah. It just wasn't happening, and that's okay. These weeks happen, and even though it didn't turn out how I wanted it to, it's fine because I'm healthy, I'm good, I'm feeling good, and I just have to accept it. So, we turn the page, as we say. So here is this week. Let me show you what I have left in the kit. I used quite a bit, actually. I have barely anything left. So her kit format for this planner is perfect, I think. This is the B6 kit, and I know this is like A5 size, but the layout is just perfectly made for B6 kits, and so I really like Sadie Stickers kits in this planner. I think it's so pretty, and I really think it will turn out beautiful when everything is either checked off or marked that it's not going to happen. Which is going to happen a lot. I'm giving myself this pep talk as well. It's okay. It's okay if you didn't get everything done. Circumstances just didn't allow for it. And that's okay, because next week is another try, and then the next week, and the next week, and so on. So basically the advice my dad gave me on Monday is you get up and you do the thing, and then you get up the next day and you do it again, and then you get up and you do it again, and that's life, and you get it done. So what'd you get done this week? How was your week? Let me know down below in the comments, because I'm always curious. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you next time. Bye!